Welcome to McDonald's. What do you want?
1 cheeseburger and 1 chocolate milkshake, please.
1 cheeseburger and 1 chocolate milkshake. Yay! Bun, burger, ketchup. Oh, no lettuce. Do we have any lettuce? Nope. Uh-oh. Do we have chocolate milkshake? Nope. Oh no. Oh, idea! We go shopping! I'll call Charlie. Let's go! Da-da-da! Lettuce! Lettuce! Chocolate milkshake! Ooh, let's get this! Yeah! Yeah! A tennis ball and milk. That's not lettuce. Oh no. Ta-da! Burger! Yes! There we go. 1 burger.
That's not a burger. There's a tennis ball in it.
Oh yeah! Here you go. 1 chocolate milkshake.
And that's not a milkshake. That's just milk.
Oh really? Milkshake!
Haha, very funny, but it's not chocolate. I asked for a chocolate milkshake.
1 burger! Quick, quick, let's get another one. Go, 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 go! Oh no, there's no lettuce.
Actually, I would quite like a donut.
Have we got any donuts? No, just run out. But we have chocolate milkshake. There you go.
Yes, thank you. Have you got my burger yet?
Here you go.
No, no, no. I don't want a tennis ball burger. I want a normal burger, please.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Last one. Lettuce! Ta-da! 1 burger and a present.
Thank you.
Next, please.
Time to open the present. Oh, of course it is.